Why Hagrama Moilari is the architecture of BTC and dynamic and ambitious leader of BTC. Hagrama Moilari is the first chief of BTC and he ruled the BTC government in total 17 years. After Bodo Accord, he was taken many development work in BTC area within short time, and he fulfilled the dream of Bodoland by clicking the development he worked. He was taken many plan policy to make BTC a model council in Northeast India. Really, he know how to handle the situation and people of BTC. During the period of his ruling government, we have been seen very adorable initiative to make Bodoland a great model council. Still, the whole development works are made by him in BTC region. In 17 years of his rules government, he completed many more new schools, building, road construction, official building in 4 districts within short time, and now 5 districts. Hereby, I would like to identify some mentionable work by his government during the time of his tenure. He built many more high-fi projects in BTC area as example. 1. Secretariat of BTC Kokrajhar. Second, IT Park at Kokrajhar. 3. Bodoland Martyrs Cemetery Kokrajhar. 4. Employees Quarters Cold Storage Park Odalguri. 4. Now 5 district circle office, subdivision office, DC office, police station, etc. 6. Bodoland University at Kokrajhar. Bodoland Cultural Complex, Sandamari, Kokrajhar. 8. Implementation of Bodo language under 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. 9. Recognition of Manas as a national park of India. 10. Sampagoti Irrigation Project. 11. Border Trade Center at Odalguri. 12. Bodoland Guest House in Delhi, Guwahati, in many metropolitan cities. 13. Commerce College at Kokrajhar. 14. Bodoland Vikas Yojana. 15. Directorate of Museum at Kokrajhar. 16. Integrated Textile Park at Buxa. 17. Burma Model Hospital Buxa. 18. JSB Civil Hospital at Chirang. 19. Sub-Divisional Science and Center at Kokrajhar. 20. District Library Mosulpur Buxa. 21. District Center Mosulpur Buxa. 22. District Institute of Education and Training at Kajalgaon, Chirang District. 23. Nagrijuli Model Hospital at Nagrijuli Buxa. 24. Planetarium House at Kokrajhar District. 25. Tamulpur Odalguri Highway. 26. Dhansi Valley Water Supply Project at Odalguri. 17. District Judicial Court Complex at Buxa, Mosulpur. 28. Model Degree College Borimukh at Buxa. 29. Bodoland Transport Services. 30. Rupsi Airport as per BTC Accord at Rupsi, Kokrajhar. 31st Rupnath Brahmo Civil Hospital at Kokrajhar. 32. Resort at Virukunda, Odalguri. 33. Various road bridge in BTC area. 34. CIT Kokrajhar at Kokrajhar. 35. Various model hospital in BTC area. 36. Sport Authority of India Center at Kokrajhar. 37. BB Engineering College at Kokrajhar, etc. It is not easy to speak to say all development project by BTC government in the time of Hagrama Mohilari. So we can be said now he is the foundation stone and architecture of BTC, but the seamless equal government blind follower are not seen total development work by Hagrama Mohilari government. If we open our eyes, we will be seen only development world by the Hagrama Mohilari. Government only. In the area of BTC, but feederless promote Goro, government cannot be fulfilled the promise of their election manifestos wording to the public. Be careful from the sugar wholesaler of present BTC government.